Neokyo offers several payment methods to make your purchases and claims easier. We recommend using your Neokyo wallet. By using the wallet, you will save time and money. The principle is simple. Just add funds and use them as you wish. No need to enter your PayPal or bank details for each purchase. Simply use the money available on your wallet. By making a single transfer to your wallet, no more PayPal or bank fees for each payment. You want a refund? Just click on the Wallet Refund button. How do I credit money to my Neokyo wallet? First, go to your Neokyo dashboard and then to the Wallet area. From this section, you can see how much money is currently available in your Neokyo wallet. The current amount is not enough to pay for your purchases? Let's add the desired amount to your wallet. Choose your payment method. Your wallet has been credited. You can now make all your purchases at Neokyo. Have a question? Send us a message via our form on Discord or our social networks. Happy shopping at Neokyo!